Some machine learning practitioners believe in the universality of computation. The computability of the world is a doable project. My hypothesis is that machine learning has some limitations to classify the whole world. My installation tries to address the boundaries of machine learning classification through the experience of the Amerindian becoming to resemble this kind of experience for machine learning and for participants in my installation. I trained the model based on two different categories, humans and beings. People, when interact with the model, are by default classified as humans, and you can try to change the classification from human to being with props, makeup, or with body positions. So it is more a game. With these two categories, I am trying to connect with an approach from Amerindian people, the communities that live in the Amazon forest. According to Amerindian philosophy, if you change your body features, you change your ontological status. If the participants can give to the machine learning model a different or unexpected data, the people can realize the Amerindian thinking represents a different concept of what is a human being and is not possible to abstract into data to be calculable by machine learning techniques. One of the main hurdles is to find the right code and to adapt the code to your own aims. And the other is assembling the dataset. The dataset in this case is very specific. At the beginning, I collect maybe 1,000 images from internet, people with makeup or other kind of adornments. And the other way is to take photos from people. In that case, you need a lot of photos. And because this is a work in progress, I have to enhance my data set. I realized how this technical knowledge can give me some insights about my theoretical or philosophical reflections. The theoretical gives some insights about the practical, and the other way around, the practical give you some insights about your own thoughts about the theoretical problems.